Hey, what is up guys, this is IS and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how to create the dark teal and brown look using Lightroom mobile. So just before we start, subscribe if you haven't yet, also turn on the bell icon and let's get started. So first we'll go to light panel and then bring down the exposure to around -0.20. Also we're going to decrease the contrast to around 24. Now bring down the highlight to -63. Bring up the shadow to 38. And whites to -32. And blacks 33. Now go to color and then bring up the tint to around 23. Increase the vibrance to around 56 and saturation to 16. Okay, now go to mix and then bring up the hue of red to around +10 and saturation to -42 and increase the luminance to around 16. Select orange and then bring down the hue of orange to 14. Also bring down the saturation to -51. Okay, now select yellow and then bring down the hue all the way down. Also bring down the saturation to around -70 and luminance to -36. Now select green and then bring down the hue to -26. Also bring down the saturation to around -55. Now select aqua and then bring up the hue to around 40 and bring down the saturation to all the way down, as well luminance all the way down. Now select blue and then bring down the hue to -66. Saturation to -60 and luminance to -76. Now select purple and then bring down the hue to all the way down, also the saturation. Now do the same to the magenta, hue to -100, also saturation to -100. Now click on done and go to effect and then bring up the clarity to around 15 and DH to 80. Go to split tone and then set the hue of highlight to 33 and saturation 7. Now set the hue of shadow to 209 and saturation 13. Bring up a balance to around 48. Click on done. Now go to light panel again and this time select curve. Rotate my device and select the white curve and then create an S curve like this. Now select red and then bring up the shadow just a bit like this. Now select green. Here also bring up the shadow a bit, but more than the red. And now select blue. Here also bring up the shadow a bit, but more than green. Not that much. Not this much. Green and blue. So like this. Now click on done. And lastly, we will do is we will increase the sharpening and also add color noise. Okay, for that, go to detail panel and then bring up the sharpening to around 16 and masking to around 22 and color noise to 50. And we are done. Now I'm gonna copy the settings and paste it on some photos. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you, then don't forget to like this video, share with your friend and leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.